Alright guys, so this is Mike from GamerQQ. And I'm about to do an unboxing, so here we go. These should be all the computer components that we ordered earlier this month for the Twitch stream. So what we have here is the biggest case ever, and that is just for the power supply, or excuse me, the CP cooling. Here goes the percolator truck. My cat is going to help me unbox as well. So what's this? This is a made in China keyboard. Oh, so this is a Microsoft ergonomic keyboard, and I picked it up for $10 from Newegg. And I wanted to try ergonomic keyboards. I'm actually a hater on ergonomic keyboards. I usually get the other style, regular, just because I've always liked it better in an office setting. And then we got a programmable Ghost keyboard. That was $20, I think. I really didn't want to buy a programmable keyboard, like one of the Logitech G's, and then decide that I wanted an ergonomic instead after trying the other one. So I went ahead and got both just to test them out. So this is the GeForce 780 Zodiac Amp Edition. Comes with some stuff. Oh, what's that? So the Splinter Cell compilation pack. Looks like 3 games. And there's something about some other games as well. So that's pretty cool. And we have the X79 motherboard. Let's take a look at that. So, pretty sexy looking. I know you can't really see too well, but I'll be doing something later with that. So we've got a couple boxes stacked up here. And then what else we got? I believe we have a solid state. Oh, we're missing hard drives. Okay, so we got our Ivy Bridge E 3.7 gig, 4820, 10 megabyte cache, 2011 LG for that motherboard right there. And then we have a Samsung solid state hard drive. So I've been very excited about this. I think this one's 250. Yeah, 250 up in the corner. We were also supposed to get 4 other hard drives, 4 3 terabyte hard drives, but it is not on this order. It's not on this order, so NVIDIA Assassin's Creed gift. So Assassin's Creed wasn't in here. That's cool. I didn't really want to